Please be careful if you will use this method. Do so on your own risk. So I bought this used lens with loose zoom and focus rubber. I was gonna buy a new rubber, but I thought I would give it a shot. I tried to put it in a boiling water, used hair dryer, and put it in clothes dryer. But none of them worked. So as a last shot, I thought I would put it in the oven. Yes, I did put it in the oven on 200 Celsius degree. I saw it was smoking. I thought it gonna get on fire. So I removed it immediately. I put it on the lens. It was better, but not perfect. So I put it again in the oven for a few minutes with more attention. I put it on the lens again and it was perfect.